Vitas Healthcare Services Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get hospice care wrong. They assume it's only for end of life and lacks personalized support. Vitas Healthcare provides specialized hospice and palliative care, and the surprising truth is how comprehensive and compassionate their services are. You won't believe the range of medical, emotional, and spiritual support available to patients and families. Here's how it works. Vitas offers in-home, inpatient, and outpatient hospice care, along with specialized programs for conditions like cancer, heart failure, and dementia. Services include pain and symptom management, nursing care, social work, counseling, and spiritual support tailored to each patient's needs. For example, a patient with advanced heart disease can receive continuous monitoring, medication management, and emotional support for both themselves and family members. Most people get this wrong. They assume hospice is limited care, but Vitas emphasizes comfort, dignity, and quality of life. Additional support includes caregiver education, bereavement programs, and 24/7 access to professionals. The team coordinates with primary care physicians to ensure continuity of care. However, there are considerations. Hospice care is typically covered by insurance, but coverage details vary. Most people assume all services are free. It's important to verify insurance and eligibility. In conclusion, Vitas Healthcare is ideal for patients needing compassionate end-of-life care and families seeking support. Their comprehensive, personalized approach ensures dignity, comfort, and guidance through a challenging time. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of healthcare and support services.